So ayun guys, no, dito na naman tayo, no, video Hamster Combat. Silipin natin yung ano nila, site nila, no. So ito, tignan natin yung roadmap ng ano nila kasi binago na, no. So ayan, roadmap. July, characters and skin, third party game integration, MVP, tech solution for the largest ever airdrop. So nawala na sa July yung airdrop, no. So ito upcoming. So wala pang talagang date kung kailan, no. Pwedeng August, pwedeng September, no. Kasi ito upcoming, nalagay na lang sa upcoming, no. So yun, nawala na sa July sa roadmap nila, no. So yan, hindi na sa July, ibig sabihin 31 na bukas, no. So yan, upcoming achievements, implementing tech for the largest airdrop task, gaming platform launch, TGE and airdrop distribution, App Store, Google Play Store apps. So yan, no? Live events, time limited events, squads, and much more. So yun na nga, no, hindi na sa July yung airdrop, kaya madami na namang mag-iiyakan. Ayan, no. So naglabas din sila ng white paper nila, no. Sabay-sabay nating basahin at alamin kung anong nilalaman ng white paper nila. Ayan, sige, check natin kung anong meron dyan. Ayaw natin. Bambi. So ayan, white paper, red 0.2, July 30, 2024. So ayan, basahin natin ng sabay-sabay, disclaimer, this white paper is no way to incentive to invest, informative purposes only. Brief intro. Hamster Combat is a crypto exchange CEO simulator game built on Telegram with 300 million players. Its mission is to smoothly onboard 1 billion Web 2 user into Web 3. So 1 billion daw, no. 300 million pa lang. Malaki pa yung hinahabol niyan. Launch in March 2024. Hamster Combat has already set the list of records. Largest Telegram channel ever. Fastest YouTube channel to get 10 million subscriber. Only took us 6 days. Fastest product to get 100 million players. Took us 2 months. Largest crypto game ever. We are ready to set one more record. So, meron na silang apat, no? So, meron na naman daw isang record na ini-aim sila, no? Largest airdrop in history of crypto. So, yan talagang fasten your seat belts. Besides, an airdrop is just the first step in building the hamsters ecosystem, which will extend far beyond the current game. Mobile games and crypto landscape. The gaming industry accounts for 300 billion in revenue daily, with 72% of that coming from the mobile gaming alone. Over 1.6 billion people with different backgrounds of different nationalities, age, education, and interests from all over the world play mobile games, with this number projected to grow to 1.9 billion people by 2028. There are over 700,000 mobile players. Ba to? 700,000 mobile games available both on Apple Store and Google Play, which indicates how big of an industry that is, and just how strong the trend of mobile game is. And it's easy to understand why almost everyone has a smartphone these days, making mobile games super accessible whether you're waiting in line, taking a break at work, or lodging at home. You can pull out your phone and dive into the game anytime, anywhere. Ayan, ha. Sahin nyo na lang, ha. Ayan, sahin nyo na lang ang banda dyan. Lipat na tayo, ha. And here are the trends crypto has helped kickstart. Play to earn games. Let you earn cryptocurrency just by playing a game. NFTs in games. Non-fungible token are digital collectible that you can truly own in mobile games. NFTs can be unique in-game item that you can trade and sell. Crypto rewards. Some mobile games offer cryptocurrency rewards. Achieving milestone, participating in events, or just playing regularly. It's another little extra motivation to keep playing and turn time into something valuable. Decentralized marketplaces. Blockchain technology allows for secure and transparent trading of in-game items without the need of the middleman. Funding and development. Crypto is even changing how games are made. Developers can raise funds through initial game offerings, IGOs, by selling in-game token or NFTs before the game is even released. This helps get cool new games off the ground and gives early supporters a stake in the game's success. Web3 in these 3 challenges. Ulit naman ang screen. Basahin nyo na lang ha. Duduling na ako kababasa eh. Telegram apps and CryptoMask adoption. Why Telegram? Telegram has undoubtedly become a place to be. Build, communicate, and interact with people. The messenger now has over 950 million users, which on top is just a messenger. Makes it one of the biggest social media platform with huge potential for any brand's exposure. And of course, with that user base, it is very attractive platform for companies to build on. Telegram mini app is an online app built and run directly on Telegram. They offer multiple advantages to developers in the community. Open source protocol between wallet and apps don't connect. Different monetization options such as advertising, subscription models, and in-app purchases. But interactions, community development for developers, integrated payments, seamless integration with Ton wallets. By the way, Hamster Combat user boosts the biggest number of wallets connected to Ton and many more. Build on Telegram. Basa-basahin nyo na lang ha. Gameplay and narrative. Ito, maganda to. Basahin nyo ng mabuti para meron kayong idea sa sa laro, no? Sa Hamster. Hamster Combat is a crypto exchange hero simulator in which players create their profiles and boost them through various activities. Hamster Combat is not a competition or a race. This game is all about the community, friends, and growing together, but it is also a game where you can experience what it's like to be in charge of one of the biggest crypto companies in the world for yourself. Would you make the right call? How much profit could you get? What can influence your decision making and why? Then the game players are required to increase their coin balance, complete daily combos, ciphers, and get their daily rewards. All of that is to maximize their passive income and ensure their exchange is working for them. A system like this one facilitates the overall gaming process for users. They don't necessarily need to spend their days stopping, but rather choosing what task to perform or what to do to multiply their income. Hamster combat or sorcery referral system that has proven very patient by inviting your friends, and you can not only increase your revenue but also get to build, manage your exchange alongside with friends. So ayan, no, ito mahalaga to, basahin nyo to, ayan. The actions that are also important when playing the game. The first airdrop will depend on. So, yan na. Ano daw, eligibility. Overall game cycle. Did you just download it and forget about it? Or are you an active player? So, overall game cycle, no? Kailangan active ka daw. O naglalaro ka lang ng kalbo pa rin yung daga mo hanggang ngayon. Community interaction and activity. So, ayan, kailangan talaga active ka dahil na ano nila yung interaction and activity mo, no? Friends. O, yan, isa sa mga kailangan, no? Friends. Kung wala ang friends, naku po, medyo tagilid ka na. No? Or rather, the quality of the friends you invited. Did you bring in bots? So, ayan. Yung mga meron daw invite na hindi naman active. Naku po. Delikado kayo. Yung mga invite nyo, totoong tao. Men, invite nyo lang. Tapos, di naman naglaro. Or are these real friends you interact and play with daily? So, yun na. Hindi nakasulat pero patanong. Alam nyo na yan kung ba't ganyan. Achievements. So, yan, achievements daw. So, nakasulat doon, no? Upcoming achievements. So, isa yun sa magiging basehan. So, wallet integration. Wallet mo dapat na-connect. Reputation. Yan na yung rank. No? So, hindi pa talaga tuluyan nilang inano. No? Hindi pa talaga nila tuluyang pininpoint kung ano. Pero, may idea ka na kung ano yung mga yan. Alam mo na yan kung ano yan. User acquisition and community. Acquiring user launched on March 26, 2024. And proudly announced that we have 300 million players worldwide. Mass experiencing growing traffic in gaming crypto industries. Our results are vivid proof of that. Team efficiency, user love of the product, virality of the product, data-driven approach in the analytics, smooth onboarding process, personalization and customization, user-friendly interface, player retention techniques, and viral contents and marketing techniques. The success of all these metrics is proven by the number of daily active during Hamster Combat. 50 million user. From 300 million. No? So, ayan. Number of daily active players enjoying Hamster Combat. 50 million user. Naku ba? 50 50 million lang yung maghahati dyan. 300 million player, no? Tapos biglang sinabi nila sa baba, no? 50 million active. Social media as of July 29, 2024. YouTube, 34 million subscribers. 17 regional YT channels. Strong support of our community wherever the world's record in YouTube. Ay. Telegram, 52 million subscriber. Biggest group on Telegram's history. Next Twitter, 12 million followers. Our next goal, 1 billion user in hamster combat ecosystem. 1 billion. Highlight key and metrics and utility. These are some key products, metrics. Hamster Combat team is proud of. 99% of players are invited by their friends. We build a viral product with viral internal content. Thousands of videos about our features, in-game card, daily combo, ciphers, and launch with vloggers on YouTube daily. We have players from all over 190 countries. Player engaged for 7 days. There's 91% probability that he will stay engaged for 30 days. Average players has around 5 daily sessions. Daily activities such as daily combos, hyper mini games, attracts over 40 million players daily. Squads. So isa to sa mga pwedeng madagdag, no? Doon sa upcoming, doon sa roadmap nila, squads. Squad mechanic is a way to engage the KOL. So, magkakaroon talaga ng labanan. PvP. Ano ba PvP? O ano? Diba? Grow together, share experiences, help each other, main points. Mind, play together with your friends, invite your friends to squad, and enjoy. Create your own community, promote your brand, time-limited events. Time-limited events are an effective way for the members of the community to engage with each other. They help promote increased participation and activity, time limited. So yan tungkol yun sa squad kanina. Then ito sa time limited event nila, no? Parang ano pa rin dito yung squad, no? Konektado. Parang mga team battle, gano'n, no? Skins and personalizations. Skins are different item that players will be able to acquire, implement, update, profile, form, clothes, and theme and changing mo sa style. Opportunity, character, look na what. So yan diba? Personalization customization ng character mo, no? Magdagdag sila ng ganyan, no? Yan, skins, di ba? Form clothes, apply to your character, changing looks, hairstyle, clothes and shoes, etc. Ayan o. Appearances to particular nationality. Nationality. Gender. Yan. Meron kayong ano dyan, mga meron kaya diyan kaya sa gender, meron kayong rainbow. Style and characters. Ayan. HMST Ortolan Foundation. So, ayan o. Hamster Foundation is a non-profit organization that acts in community. Mission of Hamster Foundation on Bird Next, being people in Web3, sustainability, develop the HMSD Ortolan ecosystem around it. HMSD is a community-driven token that will be operated by the Hamster Foundation. Hamster Combat is one of the opportunity to deliver HMSD token utility to millions of users. Supposed to be an Hamster Combat empowering multiple products outside of the hamster ecosystem. Profitable business. There is no need to sell team token allocation to pay bills. So reserve lang talaga yan. Publishing businesses. Sahin nyo na lang Sahin nyo para alam nyo ng mabuti. Ganda naman sa website. Puntahan nyo pag tinatamad kayong manood na. Pero ito, basa-basa lang tayo. So yan sabi nila na yan. Aim nga daw nila na 1 billion player. Na target nila yung mga nasa web 2 na player para maging player din nila. Kasi ang bilang nila yata sa player ng nasa web 2 sa 1.7, 1.8 billion. Sa web 3, 1.9, ganyan. Kaya parang gusto nila na in building a platform capable of delivering mass adaptation is only possible with a combination of web 2 and web 3 marketing tools. Yan. Tokenomics. Key facts about tokenomics. So, ito na yung tokenomics nila, 1. HMSTR airdrop will be the largest airdrop in history of crypto. So, sure na sila doon na yun talaga yung magiging history, ng biggest airdrop in history of crypto. Ayan, ganda yan. So, ayan. 60% of the airdrop volume will be dedicated to the player. The rest is reserved for providing market liquidity, ecosystem partnerships, and grants rewarding squad and other items. Sinabi nila nung una, no, na bago na din to, no. Talagang gusto nilang palakihin kasi una sabi nila 10% lang daw yung mapupunta sa player. So, talagang magiging malaki tong airdrop na to. Kasi napakadami na ano nun eh. Nung unang white paper pa lang nila, no. Ang dami ng medyo naging ano, medyo naging ano yung ano nila, no. Kaisipan nila, no, nung nalaman nila na 10% lang dun sa ano, no, dun sa volume yung mapupunta sa player. Kaya napakarami na nung mga lumabas na mga kalkulasyon, mga token kung ilan yung mga magiging airdrop. So meron silang ideya nun, no, kasi sa 10%. So ito, no, binago na yung 10%, 60% na. So lahat ng mga nasa YouTube na nagkikwenta, no, sira na lahat yun. 60% airdrop volume dedicated to player. Oh, po. Laki niyan, men. Tapos yung mga matitira, no, magiging ano nila, no, magiging reserve nila, no, sa market liquidity ecosystem, partnership and grants, no, rewarding squad and other items. So dun mapupunta yung remaining, no. So 40% na lang yung mapupunta sa kanila, no. Game development will go on and there will be season 2 for the players. The project's plans to launch updates to engage current players and involve new ones. More players mean larger capitalization, which also means a larger drop for each player. So habang dumadami daw yung player, no, mas lumalaki pa daw yung magiging drop. Hamsters are power, one for all and all for one. Lagi nilang sinasabi yan, no. Kaso lang nasinisira nung iba yung anong yan, mga iyain. Si report, si mukhang report. report, iyak. Since we have neither investment firms nor VCs backing us, there's no extra sell pressures. And the community-driven token and its value will be determined by demand, supply, and community interests. Where there are investors involved and exit liquidity for them might mean every single one of you hamsters. So we're working on building a token with such value that any investor will be happy to own one after you. Oh, yan o. Walang ano, no. Ganda ng ano nila, no. Talagang kaya sinasabi nila na ano, no. So parang sila yung gumagawa ng market, no. Tapos yung mga player yung holder ng token. Kaya sinasabi nila na ikaw yung CEO. Kaso lang, paano yung mga biglang mga magbebenta, no? Tsaka yung mga iyakin. Kawawa naman sila. So, ayan, last na to, no? Legal disclaimer: this white paper is published solely to inform the community. Nothing in this white paper is an offer to sell or the incentive to buy any tokens. Nothing in this white paper should be treated as a guarantee or promise of how the hamster combat business or the tokens will develop or the utility value of the tokens. This white paper outlines current plans which are subject to change and to success of which will be depend on many factors outside hamster combat control, including market-based factors and factors within the gaming and cryptocurrency industries among the others. So yun no. So yun lang no. Ayan, white paper. White paper 0.2. So yun lang no guys no. So ngayon lang din kasi to. Anong oras pinost to eh? Last cheese ba? Ewan ko. Basta ngayon lang dumating sa akin eh. Ngayon ko lang din nakita eh. Kaya yan. Kababasa ko lang. Sinama ko lang din kayo. So yun no. So walang airdrop ngayong July. Maliwanag na yon. Hindi din natin kung kailan talaga dahil walang nakalagay doon na date, nasa upcoming pa lang. So as usual, hintay-hintay lang, abang-abang lang no, since maganda naman tong para sa akin lang maganda naman yung white paper nila. So tinaas nila yung percentage ng token na ibibigay sa player from 10% to 60%. So talagang medyo malaki-laki talaga yung aasahan mo dito kung active player ka. Syempre yung value niyan hindi naman natin kontrolado yan. Kahit pa gaano kalaki yung ibigay sa yung token, kung magiging maliit lang naman yung value no. Maganda naman sana kung wala sanang nag-iiyakan no. Kumbaga sana naglalaro na lang at naghihintay. Magiging maganda yung market pagka ganun eh. Hindi yung iyak ng iyak. Kaya sinasabi no, kung ayaw mo maglaro, huwag ka maglaro. Sabi nga nung hamster nung nakaraan, 'di ba, sa post nila no. Hindi ka naman pinipilit, wala naman pilitan no. Hindi naman daw mandatory. Ayun, parang ganun lang no. Even mandatory, huwag mong pagurin yung sarili mo kung ayaw mo magpagod. Check mo lang, ganun lang no? Pataas ka ng profit per hour, yun, pag tinatamad ka, huwag kang masyadong isipin yung laro no? Mag-enjoy ka lang, diba? Mag-enjoy ka lang. Kapag ka tinatamad ka naman, huwag ka mag-open, huwag ka maglaro. Pag nabubuisit ka na, delete mo na yung laro. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Dali lang. Ang problema. Nasa sayo lang talaga yun. Wala naman yun sa laro. So, ayun lang guys, no.